Oh, yes. Just looking at the Constitution of the United States. Yeah. You know, I had, well, really established that there's 27 amendments. Yes, yes, yes. And I had documented that you had violated approximately 25 of them. Now, the right of the citizens of the United States who are over 18 years of age to vote, yes, shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state on account of age. But you've been denying me my right to vote because I'm a homeless man that lives in Port Angeles, Washington. I've been wanting to run for office, and I thought the easiest way to kind of give myself that in, yes, is to sue every oath of office in the various parties for the legal liability. Let's say there were no political parties because all of them lost everything they owned. Then Paul C. Budnick shows up. Now somebody's saying I'm going independent. Pooch. What about a new, inspiring hope for America's future? Pooch. It's possible, okay. It's possible that I could start a new party that nobody's ever heard of. Now there's Amendment number 15. The right of the citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged. I thought it was denying and abridging the rights of the citizens to vote for me. Yes. When you refuse to enforce my civil rights or civil liberties, when you don't allow me to speak to my sons, right, because of the fraud of issuing protection orders and dissolutions of marriage. And then there's that fraud of having me arrested for failing to appear when I didn't fail to appear. Yes, you didn't actually give me notice of the court hearing. Now, this right of the citizens to vote shall not be denied or abridged. Any state on account of race, color, previous condition of servitude. Yes. But is there any denying the citizens their right to vote for somebody that you're obstructing the rights of? Now, I know. Okay. I'm thinking of starting a new party. Let's say it's the Lighthouse Party, playing off the White House instead of WHITE. Yes, that's how you spell white, isn't it? Do they call it that because of its actual color? Or it had some sort of significant meaning. I call it the Lighthouse Party, the Light. Something that a lot of people say, oh my gosh, the lighting's nice in the White House. Of all the decor that actually, could you get me the word designer, Designer? Yes. As a designer of new innovations, I wanted to know all of those designers that are in the business of designing, yes, and give me all the patents again in every nation of the world. Now, this amendment number 11, yes, the judicial power of the United States shall not be construed to extend to any suit in law or equity commenced or prosecuted against one of the United States by citizens of another state, yeah, or by citizens or subjects of any foreign state, yes. Now, I looked at this amendment number 11, but it seemed to me amendment number 14 kind of opened the door for any citizen of any state to sue any state and the United States. Now, well, I know you work with the 11th Amendment and you're in the Department of Justice, and you all of a sudden realize most of the lawsuits that you've been answering, yes, they actually have no basis of law. Now, this excessive bail should not be required, Amendment number 8, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted, known as restoration laws, cell hearings, and arresting people for failure to appear when they didn't get notice of an actual court hearing. They weren't arraigned. Nobody charged them with a crime. I think it's unusual, yes, that you assign a public defender to me that agrees with the prosecuting attorney that when I know of a court hearing, it doesn't mean I know what it's about. There's this right of an individual to reply, yes, as in to answer whatever accusation you have as a prosecuting attorney. And when you just get arraigned, yes, without any actual criminal complaints, I think it violates Amendment number 8 and possibly 9 and could be Amendment 10. I mean, the enumeration of the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. Do the people have the right to vote who? Well, yeah. Exactly what rights do the people have?